I have 2 plates of Rice Krispies treats in front of me. This is a regular Rice Krispies treats, American style. This is the Chinese style. Hi guys! Today I'm gonna make Rice Krispies treats. When I was a kid, my parents always buy them from the store. It was one of my favorite snacks. I love those little squares. Do you know the Chinese Rice Krispies treats and the American Rice Krispies treats? They're different. Today I'm gonna make both of them and we'll do the taste test. I got this Chinese Rice Krispie treats recipe from Xiaoying cuisine. It has like 14 million views. Seems like really popular. I'm gonna try it out, see how it tastes. For the ingredients, I have glutinous rice, peanuts, raisins. For the sauce, I got water, honey, and sugar. So a couple days ago, I washed 300 grams glutinous rice. Steam the rice over the high heat for 15 minutes. After it's done, sprinkle some oil to prevent the rice grains from sticking together and leave them in the sun for 2 days. Let's deep fry this rice first. She said when the oil reaches 60% hot. I don't know what's the temperature. If you're Chinese here, can you leave me a comment below? Let me know what's the temperature of the 60% hot. She just said if the rice grains expand rapidly in the oil and float, the oil temperature is correct. I guess I'm just gonna test it first. I'm gonna throw some rice in the oil. Didn't expand and float. So we'll wait a little bit longer. Let's test it again. Woohoo! It's floating. Let's deep fry some of them first. Magic! They're floating. Them up. Only took around 20-30 seconds to deep fry the rice. Now I'm gonna deep fry the rest. Now I'm making sauce. Put water, sugar, and honey in the hot pan. Xiaoying said just mix this sauce, wait until you see the big bubbles turn into small bubbles and the sauce turn lightly brown. Dip the sauce in the cold water, see if it becomes a shape. If it becomes a shape, then the sauce will be done. Let's dump the rice inside. Peanuts, raisins, just mix them together. Now I'm gonna put this mix in the baking pan and I put some sesame seeds on the bottom. I have a container in my hand. Just gonna use this to press it. There. I'm gonna let it cool for about 20 minutes and then the Chinese Rice Krispie treats will be done. For American style Rice Krispies treats, I'm gonna use Stephanie from Joy of Baking's recipe. I love Joy of Baking. So many simple, easy, and fabulous baking ideas and recipes. Her Rice Krispies treats recipe is really simple, easy, and quick to make. I only need 6 cups of Rice Krispies, 3 tablespoons butter, a touch of salt, 10-ounce marshmallow, which is about 285 grams bag, and half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. I just need to melt the butter and marshmallow together. Pour the sauce in the Rice Krispies. Only took me 10 minutes to make it. Then let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. How easy was that? Taste test. I'm gonna eat American style first. It's crispy but soft. Ooey gooey, buttery, milky. It tastes so good. Stephanie, This is awesome. Let's try Xiaoying cuisine's Chinese style. This just tastes like childhood. So Chinese, so good. Let me have one more piece. I deep fried the rice, so it got more crispy texture than American style. Also, we put the peanuts and raisins in there. Brought so much flavors in this Chinese style Rice Krispie. Oh God, I have to make a choice. Which one is better? This is so hard. Okay, I'll pick this one. Xiaoying Cuisine's Chinese style Rice Krispie treats. Alright, thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!